How to make read only channels on Discord. So for that you have to go through all these steps. So first of all, open your Discord app or open it on your PC. Look at the left sidebar and tap on the server where you want to create a read only channel. Find the plus icon next to the channels section in your server and tap on it to create a new channel. From the channel type options, select text channel as the type of channel you want to create. Type in a clear and descriptive channel name such as announcements or rules and tap create channel. Once the channel is created, tap on the gear icon next to the channel name to open channel settings. Inside channel settings, tap on permission to access the permission settings for this channel. Tap on the everyone role to edit the permission that apply to all members in your server. Find the send messages permission and tap the read X to disable it for the everyone role. Find the add reaction permission and tap the red X to prevent members from reacting to messages. Make sure the view channel permission is set to a green check mark so all members can still read the channel. Once all permissions are configured, tap the Save Changes button to make the channel officially read only. Thank you for watching.